Hi, I am Uğur from Huawei Developers and welcome to the Huawei tutorial series. In this video, we will learn Huawei Mobile Services Location Kit. Location Kit combines the global navigation, satellite system, Wi-Fi and base station location functionalities into your app to build up global positioning capabilities, allowing you to provide flexible location-based services for global users. Currently, it provides the following main capabilities: fused location, activity identification, and geofence. You can call one or more of these capabilities as needed. Provides a set of easy-to-use APIs for your app to quickly obtain the device's location based on the GNSS, Wi-Fi, and base station location data. Identifies user activity status through the acceleration sensor, cellular network information, and magnetometer, helping you adapt your app to user behavior. Thanks to activity identification, your app can obtain the activity status of a device, such as walking, running, or cycling. Allows you to set an interested area through an APIs so that your app can receive a notification when a specified action occurs, such as leaving, entering, or staying in the area. Location Kit can sense the distance between the current device location and the geofence. When the device enters the geofence, a notification will be sent to your app. In addition, Location Kit can detect the duration during which the device stays in the geofence and send a notification to your app if the stay duration reaches your preset limit. You can also create a geofence by dragging to select an area on the map and setting relevant parameters. In this section, we will talk about advantages of Huawei Mobile Services Location Kit. Fast location quickly captures locations with fused location. Superb accuracy accurately recognizes roadsides in urban canyons. Pinpoints locations to within a meter in open areas thanks to real-time kinematic. Low power consumption uses energy-efficient chip-based geofencing. You can use Huawei Mobile Services location in different areas. For example, you can use in your navigation application, travel application, accommodation application, or map-based applications. Firstly, you need a developer account. Secondly, you have to configure app information in App Gallery Connect. Then integrate the Huawei Mobile Services Core SDK into your app and add permissions. You can use the fused location function into your app so that your app can quickly obtain the precise location of a user. With activity identification, your app can identify user activity status through the acceleration sensor, cellular network information, and magnetometer, helping you adapt your app to user behavior. Integrate the geofence function into your app. With this function, you can set an interested area through an API so that your app can receive a notification when a specified action occurs, such as leaving, entering, or staying in the area. When starting the application development, first of all, the necessary location permissions should be added on the Android manifest.xml file. You can see here all of the location permissions. After applying for permissions in the Android manifest.xml file, apply for the permissions dynamically in the code. Create an if loop and check device version. After that, you can get location permissions like that. Firstly, create a fused location provider client object and location request object. Define fused location provider client instance using the onCreate method of the location service activity in your project and use the instance to call location-related APIs. The location function of Location Kit depends on the device location settings. For example, if the location function is disabled on a device, your app cannot obtain the device location. Therefore, it is recommended that your app check whether the device settings meet the location requirements before continuously obtaining the device location. Location Kit provides the function of checking device location settings. You can obtain the settings client instance using getSettingsClient of location service and call the check location settings method to obtain the device location settings. If the location settings do not meet the requirements, you can call the start resolution for result method to prompt users to grant related permissions. The location permission must be granted to Huawei Mobile Services Core. In Android Q, location must be set to always for Huawei Mobile Services Core. To enable your app to continuously obtain the device location, use the Request Location Updates method provided by LocationKit. Call the onLocationResult method in the defined location callback class to obtain a location result object that contains the location information. If your app does not need to receive location updates anymore, disable the location update function to reduce power consumption. To do this, call the Remove Location Updates method and pass the location callback or pending intent object that you pass to the Request Location Updates method. Your app can call the Get Last Location method to obtain the last known location of a device. In most cases, the last known location is the current location of the device. The Get Last Location method obtains the device location from the system cache. If the obtained device location is null, the possible cause is that the system cache has been cleared. In this case, you need to call the Request Location Updates method to obtain the device location and update the cache, and then call the Get Last Location method to obtain the device location. In this video, we have learned how to get last known location and current location with the Huawei Mobile Services Location Kit. You can define specific activities using the activity identification feature of the Location Kit. Also, with the geofence feature, you can create a custom geofence for your application's need. Thank you for watching. For more detailed information, you can visit developer.huawei.com.